All right, so today we are making pulled pork. This is a great winter recipe because you do it in a crock pot. So we have a cast iron pan. The first thing we're gonna do is add just a little olive oil. I know it looks like a lot, but this is a big dude. So traditionally, pulled pork is made with a pork shoulder. Today we are making it with pork loin. And this is a big one, it's about 4 pounds, give or take. It's a pretty big dude. The first thing you want to do is brown meat on all sides, especially if it's in the crock pot. So this is a pretty big guy, about 4 pounds, give or take. So we're going to just brown him real quick, a little bit of olive oil. Turn the oven off. We're going to get the wet ingredients ready. The pork loin has been browned, so what we're going to do now is start putting everything together into the crock pot. First thing, we're going to do 1 lime. It will not be citrusy, but this is going to add a little bit of brightness to it. It doesn't look like much. This will be a game changer. And 4 cloves of garlic. One jar of Woody's cooking sauce. A little bit of Worcestershire sauce, not too much for color. A little bit of soy sauce, same reason, not too much, just a little bit. All right. 1 cup of beer, preferably a lager, not an IPA. 1 cup of chicken broth. 1 cup apple cider vinegar. All right. So we're gonna give this a quick mix. There's Martha original version. Put right over on top. There we go. Then we're going to put a lid on it. We're going to let it simmer on low for 8 hours. All right, so we're going to do one side for the pulled pork, and these are pickled red onions. It is 4 ingredients and it's extremely easy. So we've sliced some red onion. We're going to cover it with some lime juice. Not sure how many this is going to take, probably 2, maybe 3 lines. Oops. Everywhere but inside the bowl. One more, you're gonna do it. A little kosher salt. Some black pepper here. And that's it. We're going to cover these and put them in the refrigerator until the pulled pork is ready. All right, so this is the final product. It's been in the crock pot for about 8 hours. And we got a nice little thing right here. I got 2 forks. Let's see how well. Oh, look at that. Comes right apart. Still got a lot of juice left in here. And the best way to do this is you separate it out. I'm kind of butchering it right now, but separate it out. Let it soak in some additional juice for about 5-10 more minutes, and then I have some potato buns we're going to be putting on here. So we kind of get the idea here, and then we have our pickled red onions from earlier today, and so it just kind of came out nice and soft and perfect for the top of a pulled pork sandwich. Hope you all enjoy. So here's the finished product, a pulled pork sandwich with pickled red onions, potato bun, some au jus, a dill pickle, and some kettle chips. This is the perfect cold weather meal.